Well, my pond leak has slowed down quite a bit. I'll tell you what I had done. I had a guy with the excavator. He came through here, about right in the middle of the dam, all the way over, and dug it real deep. And there was an old pipe in there. He got that fixed and got it repacked real good. And he had to take some of the good dirt right here, but which I like because it actually made my pond wider. I was going to try to, go in there and get that grass out, but I like for it to stay filled up like it is right now. Maybe rain later, and then the fish will love having that. Kind of be deep and then a little shallow. But so far, so good. I have my trees cut down right there. I don't know if y'all remember them or not. Now all I have is some cedar trees in that one tree right there. Got my aerator. Had to move it over to there because of him doing the work on my dam. I sure hope it fixes it. I tell you, it's been a lot of hard work in trying to get it fixed and a lot of stress. And my water, of course you might not be able to tell it here, but my water is so clear. You can actually see the bottom of it on the edges now. That pump really does a job. And we're going to get all that cleaned out right there. And get that bank fixed. And hopefully we'll get some rain. We ain't had rain, a good rain in a good solid month, I say. And the pond is staying up like this right here. It's doing pretty good. So, just one fish jumped up. Hope I got that on camera. I wish we can get a couple inches. Fill it on up, at least over to here. Anyway, let that get filled in, but it'd be a pretty good sized pond. So we'll see. We'll see what it does. I know all this down through here is dry now. So maybe we stopped it, or at least slowed it down big time. I'll be satisfied with either one. I appreciate you guys watching. If we get a rain that fills up some more, I'll give you another pond update. I appreciate you watching. Hit that subscribe button.